you're absolutely right. I am right in my kitchen because all the ingredients which I will be needing to create any sort of mask which I have discussed with you is going to be available in the kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ghazal, and in today's video I will be discussing how can you create your own organic beauty products. Brands are not available in the grocery shops because due to the current crisis epidemic situation, which is totally acceptable. But again, your skin needs to breathe, you need to keep your skin clean, you need to glow. So I was thinking, what can I do? I'm going to be targeting three sort of skin problems, which is blemished skin, which is like acne prone skin. Second is going to be a dull skin, and third is going to be a pigmented skin. And also you will be towards the end of the video you will find two additional complimentary tips which will be very useful for you, and I guarantee you that, especially in this particular home lockdown period. So stay tuned with us, and I promise you, you don't have to step out of your kitchen in order to prepare these masks. So let's get started, guys. Let's have fun. Let's beautify. Alright guys, so I have collected all the products which I will be requiring for the preparation of the three masks which I'm going to discuss with you. First targeted skin was to blemished skin or the acne prone skin. Now the mask which I will be making, you will be requiring yogurt, dahi. If you have a homemade yogurt, it's even better. But I don't know how to do that, and people who can do that are scientists, honestly, but I don't know, so I will be using the ready-made yogurt. You'll be needing a tablespoon of gram flour, which is besan, and a pinch of haldi, which is turmeric. Okay, and very important, wait, this is a tablespoon, and this is teaspoon. Tablespoon is bigger, teaspoon is smaller. Table tea. Alright, I'm telling you this so that you don't mix mash the ingredients, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to get the consistency. Let's get started and make this damn pack. So the first pack is absolutely ready, and I feel this is the best consistency ever. Like, yeah, I'm so happy, like I made a successful experiment or something. Anyways, if you are not very keen of turmeric or a besan smell, what you can do, you can add 2 or 3 drops or few drops of rose water in it to get that floral smell. And please stay tuned to this video because towards the end of the video, I will be showing you how to make rose water at home. Alright, and I will show you with an application. So the second pack which I'll be making for the face is to remove the dullness and bring the natural glow back. So for this particular pack, what all I'll be needing is banana. I write banana because it has a kind of whitening agent in it. Some yogurt again, some honey, and some lemon juice. So the honey and the lemon juice is going to be 1 teaspoon separate, and I'm going to mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt along with 1 dried banana, make it a paste and smash it all together, put it all damn things together, and good to go. Guys, I think I have done a fairly good job, by the way. So, mashed banana with yogurt and a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey, and with the good consistency. I'm good, man. I'm really good. And time to apply it. Here you go. Oh wow, very nice consistency. Because my mom was telling me that most of the time when you apply this mask, it keeps drooping down, like, but it's good. Leave it on for 15 minutes. All the mask which I'm going to discuss in this video is going to be dried out for 15 minutes and wash it with the fresh and the clean water. Remove the pigmentation or the dark patches from your face. What all you will be needing for this is tomato. And you have to remove the fresh juice from the tomato. So 1 tablespoon of that fresh juice, or make it 2 for that matter, depending on the size and the shape of the tomato as well. Just make sure that you have to get the thick consistency. Put some besan, which is a gram flour, and also my mom said that you can also use the rice flour if you have, which is called chawal ka atta, but I don't have that, so I am going to use the besan itself because that also has a good property of purifying your skin. Tomato has a bleaching agent in it, and a teaspoon of honey. So let's start to make that pad. Say bye-bye to the dark patches and to the pigmented skin, because I think this mask looks amazing, and having believed that there's a tomato in it, which is a most important ingredient, and it purifies your skin. It is a bleaching agent, it is a detan agent, so it's good in all the way. And then gram flour and honey, put it on your face and leave it dry for 15 minutes. Guys, all the mask which I have prepared, when you apply it on your facial area, please leave the under eye area neat and clean, and also don't forget to apply it on the portions of your neck, because just don't leave it on your face and wash it off. Please cover the neck area, but keep it away from your eye area. Okay, that's very important. And let's apply it. And as I said in the beginning of the video, that I definitely will be showing you 2 hacks to prepare. First, the face scrub, how can you get it prepared? And the second is going to be how can you prepare your own distilled rose water in the house, especially at the time when there is all shortage out in the market. And yes, let's get started.
By the creator itself, our mom. So let's get to it. So for this we have taken 2 or 3 roses and we have separated the petals, and any dispenser that you have. So here we have taken coconut oil dispenser and we have filled water for the measurements. So now Mama will guide you what to do. So the gas burner is on. And now we are going to add rose petals in it so that we can boil it, and the essence of rose very nicely mixed up with the water. And now we are stirring it. That's the reason of Mama's glow. And one optional tip is that you can add 2 or 3 strands of saffron, and as you can see it is simmering and it's losing its color. So we're gonna cover it and let it simmer for a few minutes. Peels, and then what we're going to do next is dry it up for 2 to 3 days in the dark. So these orange peels that we kept are dried, and we dried it for 3 to 4 days. And now what we are gonna do is we're gonna grind the peel in a powder form. Now it's all grind up. That's the texture we want for the scrub. Okay, bonus tip. You can also add these petals and dry it up and grind it, and can mix it with this orange peel. So we have dried rose petals, and mom has mixed some amount of it into it. So we're gonna give it a mix. Put it in the powder form, and every day you make fresh scrub by it. So now mom's gonna show how to make the scrub every day.
2 चम्मच ऑरेंज और रोज पेटल्स के पाउडर,
So 2 spoons of the powder,
और इसको थोड़े थोड़े दूध में
and we are mixing milk with it.
इसको लगाने से 1 आवर पहले जो है या हाफ आवर पहले इसको मिक्स करके रख देंगे.
So we're gonna prepare it before 1 hour.
हाँ, इससे ये अच्छी तरह मिक्स हो जाएगी. ये लगता है कि थोड़ा ये ज़्यादा वो हार्ड हो गया है, तो थोड़ा सा और दूध डाल के.
So now she's gonna demonstrate how we apply the scrub. So firstly she's gonna clean her face.
ऐसा अपने फेस को पैट ड्राई करें.
So we're gonna moisturize our skin.
मॉइस्चराइजर कोई भी लगा के अच्छे से.
It's done, and her skin is glowing and it is soft. See if our gulab jal is ready or not. Oh, it is. Can you see the pinkish effect on it, right? Okay, so we're gonna turn off the gas and let it cool till we transfer it in our bottles. So we are gonna strain the gulab jal, or you can say the rose water. You can see we obtained the color. Now we're gonna wait till it cools down and gonna transfer into the dispenser. Cool down, so we are transferring it to the dispenser. Rose water is ready. And all credit goes to mom, the creator of DIYs. Every night we're gonna take this rose water and apply it before going to sleep to wake up with the rosy pink skin. So I hope you like the bonus tips as well, and if you want to see more of it, let us know on One Stop page.
Share and subscribe. God bless you with clear skin.
Over and out from India.
So guys, if you find this video useful, and if you find even a single piece of information very useful for you, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow everything. We are on IGTV and we are also on YouTube, and the channel is same, which is one_stop_page. Guys, we really need your help to promote us, to promote our channel, and have fun, make substantial use of this particular lockdown. Have fun. Bye bye.